What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something very fun. Today we are trying to make the loudest pop noises with the SKUNK2 exhaust. It's gonna be a very fun video today. I got the GoPro right behind me. I'm gonna do some shots inside and I'm gonna do some shots outside so you can hear the best pops, the best sounds from the exhaust. But also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Let's get right into the video. All right, let's go. Loudest exhaust sounds for you guys. I promise you. One thing I cannot wait to install on this thing is headers. I cannot wait to install headers. Once I get headers and once I actually get like a delete on the back, man, this car can make a lot of power in a sense. But I have to update some things. Got to get a tune, got to get a new ECU, all the other stuff. But that comes in future. I hope the camera got that one. I hope the camera got that one. Oh man, that was a good one. That was a good one. It's so busy today. Look at all this stuff is open up. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Alright, so if you guys do not know, I have the SKUNK2 exhaust. If you just like skip the first intro of this video, but that's what I have. Nice exhaust. Yeah, this is the best exhaust to get if you're trying to get something affordable. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it. It has a nice little growl to it. Get some nice pops through here. Oh man, I love this thing. Oh my goodness! I really gotta put this GoPro outside because I think you guys really not hearing this pops in this car. I got you.